Chapter 7. Safety in First Aid. Learning objectives. Safety at home, safety at school, safety in the playground, safety on the road, first aid. Accident can take place anywhere and at any time. You can get hurt at home, in the classroom when rushing down the stairs, in the playground, or while crossing the road. Most accidents take place when people are careless or in a hurry. Accident can be prevented if we are a little more careful. We need to remember safety rules all the time. This will help us to take care of ourselves and others too. Safety at home. Be careful while using a sharp instruments like scissors, knife or blade. Never touch electric wire or plugs. These are dangerous and may give you an electric shock. In some homes, water is heated. With the help of an electric rod, it is very dangerous to touch the water while the switches of the rod is on. So remember not to go near the bucket. Playing with fire is dangerous. If you do so, you may get badly burned. Do not light matchsticks for fun. Avoid touching hot pans, steaming kettles, electric stoves and heaters. Sometimes you like to help your mother in the kitchen. Remember never to wear nylon or terylene clothes when you go near the fire. Such clothes can catch the fire first easily. You only enjoy playing with fireworks on Diwali. Be careful when lighting bombs, firecracker and rockets. Never hold them in your hand. When holding the lightning sparkles in your hand, keep them at a safe distance from your body. If you want to fly kites, you should go to a park or an open ground. Do not fly kites from the terrace or rooftops, as you may fall down and hurt yourself. Wash all the fruits and vegetables well before eating. Do not take any medicine on your own. Show it to an adult first. Never keep such medicine which have crossed the expiry date. These should be destroyed. Safety at school. Never run up and down the stairs, as you may fall down and hurt yourself. Walk carefully if the stairs are wet or freshly polished. In school, go up and down the stairs in a line. Do not push anyone. Do not play in the classroom or run about or jump on desks and benches. You can hurt yourself. Avoid banging against doors and windows panes. If the glass breaks, it can hurt you. When you are in school, never bully others. Do not threaten or frighten others. Never break a queue or push others while waiting in a queue. It can result in a fall and you can get hurt. Get in the bus in a line one by one. Always keep your bags and water bottles at the correct places. Safety in the playground. Parks and playgrounds are the places used for playing. Avoid playing on the road if there are no parks or playground nearby. Ask a grown-up where it is safe for you to play. Do not play or hide in dark places. Harmful insects may be there in the dark places. They can sting you. Insect sting can be harmful. Never rest in lonely or dark places. Never play a rough game. Do not play near thorny hedges or barbed wires. Take turns on the swings or the seesaw. If too many children sit at the same time, they may fall down and get hurt. When you go on a merry-go-round, you should go around only for a short time. If you feel giddy or sick, get off at once. Safety on the road. Very often you have to cross a bushy road. You would not like to meet with an accident, so always remember the rules of the road. You must always look to the right, then to the left, then to the right again when the road is clear. Cross the road at the pedestrian crossing only. It is always safe to cross the road at the zebra crossing. It is always safe to walk on the pavement if there is no footpath. You must walk as near as possible to the left hand side of the road. You should always follow traffic lights. Remember, red light says stops, yellow light means get ready, green light indicates go. First aid. In spite of being careful, sometimes accidents do happen. Accident can hurt or injure us. In case of any accident, you should first inform an adult or a doctor. Till the doctor arrives, we can give first aid to the patient. First aid is the aid or treatment given to the injured before the arrival of a doctor. Always be very calm while giving first aid. Since accidents do take place, we must know what we should do when someone gets hurt. Remember the following things. Do not get frightened or panic. Do not crowd around the person who is hurt. If a person falls down, run and help him. If he is hurt, take him to the clinic or dispensary. If he is badly hurt, make him lie down and run to call in a doctor. If someone is bleeding badly, make him lie down and tight bandage around the wound, call a doctor. Always do as the doctor says. Keywords. Trilene. Cloth made of synthetic polyester fibers. First aid. The aid of treatment given to the injured before the arrival of a doctor. Looking back, we must follow safety rules at all times. Accidents take place when people are careless or are in a hurry. Accident can be prevented if we are careful. Accident can happen at home, at school, in the playground or on the road. We should get immediate treatment or on getting injured. First aid is the immediate help given to an injured person before the doctor. Put a tick on the correct